Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look up NetBeans 8.2, try to find a download for it. You might wonder why 8.2 and not, 11 or any one of the newer versions. And my answer is, at least at the time of making this video, the newer versions after Apache took over development of NetBeans don't support a whole bunch of old features that we actually really want for the kind of remote development that we do on large multi-core systems. So what we're going to download is this sort of all package. I mean, you could download the C++ package, but it ends up being nice to have the compatibility of the all package. So, click and download that. Starts up like this. You go save file, and then we'll have to install. Oh, and if you don't have a JDK currently, a Java Development Kit installed, then you probably want to download the Java JDK 8. And again, why not 11 or 12, one of the new versions? I think 8 just has kind of the best compatibility with this version of NetBeans. And some of the... I've had a whole bunch of weird problems happen when I go for, say, 10. So here you pretty much just need to, accept the license agreement, download the version that's appropriate for your platform. You probably want a 64-bit version. If you're on Windows, then you're pretty much looking at this file. If you're on, Linux x64, then you're probably looking at this file, and so on. Something to watch out for, if you're on Linux, often the JDK requires you, if you want to have a 64-bit JDK install, you have to install the 32-bit JDK first, which is sort of weird. That isn't true for all platforms. That was certainly true for Solaris back when I used to develop for Spark. So just something to watch out for. So download and install the appropriate JDK for your system, and then download and install the appropriate NetBeans build, so the all 8.2 archive.